The Science of Superpowers, a STEM enrichment program for grades 1 through 3, supports up to 30 learners. In the first box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find your digital resource license key with instructions on how to access the digital curriculum and more resources. Your Science of Superpowers program includes a comprehensive instructor guide and printed student pages. The instructor guide makes it easy for educators of any experience level to prepare for each lesson. Each day includes a detailed material list and daily prep section. Additionally, you'll receive everything your learners will need to complete the activities: balloons, toothbrushes, markers, magnets, pencils, storage bins, reusable page pockets. Science of Superpowers is designed for turnkey implementation. Many of the consumable supplies are also available in a convenient refill kit, so you can easily embark on comic book adventures with each new group of students. The complete program also includes Brick Lab bricks, which are easy to sanitize in the dishwasher and reuse for years to come. If you already have bricks from another PCS Edventures program, choose the Science of Superpowers add-on kit to add this curriculum to your existing Brick Lab lineup. While optional daily slides are included, another benefit of the Science of Superpowers is that there are no tech requirements. Dive right into comic-themed STEM learning with or without an internet connection. For more information about this easy-to-implement program, visit adventures.com or give us a call to connect with a STEM program expert.